In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display high and low price labels in TradingView. Whether you're using the TradingView website on your desktop or accessing it through the mobile app, I'm here to guide you through every step of the process. Displaying these labels can be incredibly useful for anyone looking to track key price levels at a glance and enhance their trading analysis. Let's start with the desktop version of TradingView. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the TradingView website. Once you're there, load the chart you're interested in viewing. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout if it's been a while since you last logged in or if you're new to the platform. Now, focus your attention on the price panel, which is located to the right of your chart. This part of the interface is where the price scale is vertically displayed. Simply right-click anywhere on this price panel. Doing so will reveal a menu with various customization options to enhance your charting experience. Look through that menu and find the option labeled Labels. Clicking on it will open a submenu with more specific labeling choices. Within this submenu, you'll see the option named High and Low Price Labels. By checking this box, you'll enable these labels, making them visible on your chart. You'll now be able to effortlessly see at a glance where the highest and lowest prices have been, giving you a clearer perspective on market dynamics. Now, let's shift our focus to using TradingView on your mobile device. Open the TradingView app, and like before, select the chart you wish to examine. In the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see the settings icon. Tap on this icon to open the settings menu. As you scroll through these options, you'll notice there is a section specifically for labels. Tap on Labels to access yet another menu where you can adjust your labeling preferences. Within this menu, you'll find an option called High and Low Price Levels. By selecting this, TradingView will automatically display these important price points on your chart, assisting you in making more informed trading decisions, even when you're on the go. Remember, the purpose of displaying high and low price labels is to provide you with immediate insights into market behavior without the need for extensive analysis. It's especially handy for traders who want quick access to data while monitoring multiple markets or timeframes. By applying these steps, you can customize your charts to better suit your trading needs on both desktop and mobile platforms. With that, you've successfully learned how to enhance your TradingView charts by displaying high and low price labels. Happy trading!